If Chrome keeps showing Yahoo search when you want Google, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few quick steps. This is a simple browser setting change, and once you do it, Chrome will start using Google as your default search engine again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page. Now, on the left side, or sometimes in the main settings area, depending on your version of Chrome, find and click Search Engine. This is the section that controls which search provider Chrome uses when you type into the address bar. Next, look for the option that says Change. Click that to view your available search engines. You should see a list of options, and from here, select Google. After selecting Google, click Set as default. This tells Chrome to use Google instead of Yahoo whenever you search from the address bar or open a new tab search box. If Yahoo is still showing after that, double check that Google is actually set as the default search engine and that no unwanted extensions are changing it back. In some cases, browser extensions or startup settings can force a different search provider, so it's always a good idea to review those if the problem keeps coming back. But for most users, changing the search engine setting is all it takes, and that's it. You've now fixed Yahoo search in Chrome and switched back to Google as your default search engine. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes, browser tips, and step-by-step how-to guides.